Yan. Ito yung pwede makainan natin, guys. Vintage yan. Hello. Yung ambience na, guys. So guys, ito na yung order natin. Ito yung vintage. Yan. Chicken, meron pang Shanghai, pancit, rice. Next is yung crispy dinakdakan. Sarap, guys. Then ito yung sake. Karkay with bagnet. Yan. Yung hipon yung guys. Yan. Kain tayo, guys. Bagnet. With hipon sauce. Not first. Yummy. Taste na natin. Sarap yung avocado. Try ko yung green. Sarap din yung green tea. Lasa-lasa yung tea.